How to save a TikTok Reels. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily save the TikTok Reels. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application itself and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now, to be able to save any of the videos which you see on your FYP on your TikTok, the thing you can so whenever long press on your particular video that you like and you want to save, you can see there is a save button for this video. So it might not be the case for every single video because it depends on the user or uploader itself if they have made the video available for the download or not. So if the user has not made the video available to download for the public itself, you cannot save it. But if they have, you can just click on this save video button over here after long pressing on the particular video just like this and easily save on your device just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.